Hello guys, once again, welcome back to my video. Please don't forget to subscribe sa my YouTube channel, JP Gaming, and also to my TikTok channel. So please follow me on TikTok as well, so JP12 Gaming as well. So sa video na to, i-hunt natin yung Anjanat, yung parang T-Rex. So let's go. Ayan, so na-track na natin ng para na scout flies natin. Sundan na natin yan. So, medyo mahihirapan tayo sa quest natin ngayon guys. Medyo malakas yung monster, si Anjanat. Ayan. So, every time may bagong monster, so meron talagang konting cinematics yan guys. So, ito yung nagustuhan ko sa Monster Hunter kasi yung cinematics niya maganda eh. Pati yung video graphics niya maganda. So, unlike yung sa Monster Rise, medyo pangit yung animation, parang cartoons. Kita niya guys, malaki. So, anyway, kaya yan.